it's not locked up. It just doesn't seem like it has a lot of compression. Welcome back. So I got a tech tip for you guys and girls. If you're trying to get one of these grips off and it's stuck and doesn't want to come off and is on there like really good, and you try to pull it off and it doesn't want to come off, I want to show you a trick you can use with an air compressor. So you take the air compressor and your nozzle, you can see this does not want to come off, right? So you put this here. This one's really stuck. It moved a good, what, 1.5 inches there. I got a feeling it's really rusted like this one underneath. Alright, as we were rudely interrupted by the air compressor, you saw that it was able to just slide it right off. And this looks like it had glue on it and it was a little rusted. So it was on there pretty good, and would have been really hard. You'd probably used a razor blade or something and tried to cut it off, but that's an easy way to take them off. Working on the front forks today. We're going to pull them out. We loosen up the bolts here, 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 and here, and then we're going to pull these out. Alright, now I got the front forks loose. I'm going to clean those up. So we got the front forks out. I'm going to see if I can get that black paint off. Clean those up a little bit with the Scotch-Brite pad. A little bit of acetone and a Scotch-Brite pad. Alright, so we just finished the paint on the motor. We didn't like the tri-color, so we did a matte black and high temp engine black. I think it looks pretty good. My daughter said she liked it. She thought it looked good. She's pretty geeky. So definitely looks better than the two-tone. It's still drying. Might have to go back and hit it with another coat, but overall I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Got the cans heating up under the heater. We're about to do the frame out here. set up. And we're got it all cleaned up as best as I am gonna do for this project. Christmas chicken. Little guy was just born, or little girl was just born.
Name is Peep.
Peep the chicken. The Christmas chicken.
Devastating.
How was that? Pretty cool?
Yep, that is really cool. Let's watch that. Let's watch that. Let's watch that.
That one looks like it threw up. That's the exit.
And then
That was the entrance.